So there's a lot of different milk alternatives in the market nowadays. I think the best options will depend on your individual needs. So for example, for kids and teens who are still growing and still need a lot of calories and protein, milk option that has protein and calories would be beneficial for their health. So these are, for example, oat milk, fortified soy milk, as well as pea milk in the States would have a good amount of protein and fat. Whereas if you were an adult who's trying to lose weight, for example, then choosing a lower calorie option might be beneficial to your goals. So these include things like fortified almond milk, rice milk, cashew milk, or coconut milk would have lower calories, but they also have lower protein. So making sure that you're getting the protein somewhere else in your diet. In general, these milk alternatives should provide you with a source of calcium and vitamin D. So looking for fortified options would be a good choice, because if you're not drinking milk, then you might be lacking in these nutrients. The milk alternatives you choose don't have these fortifications.